Terracore fitness trainer, guys. We're going to be going over 40 different exercises, all for you to use with the Terracore. Great piece of equipment, very similar to a Bosu ball, but I'm going to be giving you guys the best exercise that I possibly can give you. We're going to be talking about upper body, lower body, and core exercises. Great video coming up for you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, where I'm going to be giving you some bonus tips and some freebies. Let's get started with this video. Let's go. Boom, just like that, guys. That was 40 great exercises to use with the Terra Core. Just like I said at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys some bonuses and some free tips. Check down below in the description because I am going to have some free ebooks, some free programs for you guys to download to make sure that you are able to target the areas that you want to see and see the changes that you want with your body, whether that's upper body, lower body, arms, or even chest and back exercises. That will all be included down below. Just find the ebook that resonates with you, and I will send that right over to you after providing your email address, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.